Hello and welcome to today's mini lecture on strategic thinking. What comes into your mind when you think about the term strategic thinking? Obviously, the word is made up of two words: strategy and thinking. To begin with, let's understand these two words. A strategy is a comprehensive, fully integrated set of choices that's established by the organization's leadership. Thinking, on the other hand, means an aim-oriented flow of ideas and associations that can lead to a reality-oriented conclusion. So when we put these two words together, then we come up with strategic thinking. Now let's unpack this concept further. However, you realize that many times strategic thinking has been viewed as similar to strategic planning. Contrary to that opinion, these are two different concepts. Strategic thinking is a synthesizing process. When we talk about synthesizing process, then we look at how strategic thinking utilizes intuition and creativity to come up with an integrated perspective of the enterprise. It's important to notice that whereas strategic thinking results in an integrated perspective, strategic planning results in a plan. So strategic planning is an analytical process that is aimed at programming already identified strategies. Its end product is a plan. And so these two concepts are different. Strategic thinking is infused into strategic planning. However, strategic thinking happens even before strategic planning begins. Now that we can tell the difference between the two, let's dig further into what strategic thinking is about. It is important to note that strategic thinking involves both formulation and execution of strategies. The business leaders aim at coming up with a strategic performance of the whole organization. And therefore, as organizations prepare to implement their strategies, they will first of all do strategic thinking. Secondly, strategic thinking involves intuition, like we had said earlier. There is great room for creativity. It allows for creation of synthesis between the organization's structure and its strategies. So what exactly are we looking at when we talk about strategic thinking? What are the components of strategic thinking that are important for us? According to Lietka, there are 5 components that are involved in strategic thinking. These are: 1. Strategic thinking is intent focused. 2. Strategic thinking takes on a systems perspective. 3. Strategic thinking is about intelligent opportunism. 4. Strategic thinking is hypothesis driven. And finally, strategic thinking is done in time. These 5 components comprise the model of strategic thinking by Liedtke. In our next session, we will delve deeper into each of these